What is going on, Savage Life family? Today we're going to be talking about the best performing dividend stocks in 2020. So before we go ahead and look at these stocks, go ahead and smash that like, subscribe, and let's get right on to this intro. So we're gonna start off with the cheapest stock on the list currently, and it is Altria. So if you have not heard of them, they have been established since 1919. They currently manufacture smokeless products and wine, as well as pipe tobacco, cigars, and they own a couple wineries. Now, Morningstar currently has their fair value at $54 with a 4-star, meaning they have been doing well despite the fact that the Rona has impacted a lot of these type of companies. Now, seeing here, their highest high was 75, and it has dropped ever since it was 2017 all the way down to $30. But with it dropping all the way to that price, we can see that it is a bargain, because looking at this list here, they have not missed a dividend payment in the past 5 years. Their dividend yield is 8.86%, giving you an annual dividend of $3.44. And as we can see here, in the past 5 years, their dividend amount has been raising. If we look at December of 2015, they paid 56 cents per share for their dividends, and here December of 2015, we can see here that the price was in the 50s, $50 to $58. So for $58, you're only receiving 56 cents. Now that the price is $38.09, you're receiving 86 cents per share, which definitely is a bargain price at the moment. So if you were to go ahead and put $5,000 into Altria, you'd be able to receive 131 shares, and you'd be receiving 86 cents per share, leaving you $112 just for having $5,000 into Altria every 3 months. So that right there is what we call passive income, ladies and gentlemen. Instead of having your money in a bank, you can just sit it in these great growth dividend stocks, and in the long run, you'll see more money than your interest in banks could ever accumulate. So going on to the next stock here, we have Verizon. All of you have heard of Verizon, of course, the amazing communication internet company. They currently have the most coverage besides AT&T. They've been at a battle for a while. Verizon will be implementing 5G in the future. Their 5G towers are already being built, as well as having an amazing dividend yield of 4.13% for the price of $58. As you can see, the market cap is $243 billion, so it is a well-established company, leaving it in the large cap companies. When you invest in these companies, you're gonna want to look at the mid to large cap companies, because those are the safer options in terms of putting your eggs in that basket. Now, in the past 5 years, this company has been extremely stable. As you can see here, it has not dipped below $40 in the past 5 years, and currently it is at one of its all-time high. September 18th, which was almost a week ago, it hit $60, so it is raising to the roof. Morningstar fair value is $59, so it is currently under that. So I do believe Verizon does still have room for growth with these 5G implementations, with this 5G technology being implemented in the future. And if we look at the annual dividend, it's $2.51 for only 1 share. And the 5-year graph is amazing. They have not missed a dividend payment, with their cash amount being increased with the growth of the company. October of 2015, 56 cents of dividend per share. So if we look October 2015, it was priced at 44 cents. Now it's priced at 58 cents, and we're looking here that the dividend amount is 62 cents per share. So that's what we like to see, a pattern of growth, meaning the company is heading in the right direction when we look for these dividend growth stocks. And these two companies here, you know for a fact, are not going anywhere soon. Can you imagine a life without internet in this day and age? The millennials would go insane. Me, myself, I would be lost. All I would have is my books to read, which I'm fine with, but I can't imagine the riots that would be started. So for the honorable mention here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this dividend growth stock here that was established in 2016. The foundation is not fully there since it only has a $2 billion market cap, and the dividend yield is slightly low, which is 3.12. But this here is an ETF, which is a real estate investment trust. And if we look at the 5-year graph, it's been phenomenal. They got listed at the price of $20.25. And if we look at this graph rising all the way to the roof, it's currently at 117. That's a 481% growth. It says in the past 5 years, but it's really in the past 4 years that it blew up. So that's an honorable mention there. If you want to go ahead and check out innovative industrial properties, go ahead and give it a look. But definitely Verizon and Altria, great dividend investment for 2020. And if you guys have any more honorable mentions, be sure to drop it down below in the comment sections. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this video helped you. For more videos like this, smash that subscribe button. We're on to the next one.